In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams in Trello. Whether you're leading a department, managing a project, or simply organizing your team's tasks, Trello can be a powerful tool to keep everything on track. With its flexible and visual approach to task management, Trello makes collaboration simple and efficient. Today, I'll guide you step by step through setting up your workspace, creating boards, and using Trello's features to optimize your team's workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear system in place to manage tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration, like a pro. Let's get started. First, start by creating a workspace in Trello. A workspace is essentially a home for all the boards related to a specific department, team, or group. It helps keep everything organized in one place. Think of it as the central hub for your team's efforts. Once you've created your workspace, give it a clear and specific name. For example, if it's for the marketing team, you might call it Marketing Workspace. This makes it easy for everyone to identify and navigate. Next, create a board within your workspace. Boards are where the real magic happens. Each board represents a specific initiative like a project, a campaign, or an ongoing team function. For instance, if you're launching a new product, you could name your board Product Launch. Once your board is ready, invite your teammates to both the workspace and the specific board. This ensures they can view, contribute, and collaborate effectively. To keep things organized, use clear and descriptive names for both your workspace and boards. This avoids confusion and ensures everyone knows where to find what they need. Now that your board is set up, you can start organizing tasks. Add lists across the top of your board to represent different stages of work. For example, you might create lists like Backlog, To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. These lists will help you track the status of tasks as they move through the workflow. With your lists in place, it's time to create cards. Cards are the individual tasks or items that need to be done. Add a card for each task and place it in the appropriate list. For example, if a task is ready to be started, place it in the to-do list. When you open a card, add a clear description of the task. Include all the important details so everyone understands what needs to be done. If the task involves specific files or links, you can attach them directly to the card for quick access. If a task has smaller subtasks, create a checklist within the card. This helps break the work into manageable steps and ensures nothing gets missed. Don't forget to set due dates on your cards. Deadlines are essential for keeping the team on track, and Trello makes it easy to see when tasks are due at a glance. To clarify who is responsible for each task, assign team members to the cards. This creates clear ownership and accountability. If you need input or action from someone specific, you can use mentions in the card description or comments. Just type their name, and Trello will notify them directly. To make prioritization and categorization easier, apply labels to your cards. Labels can be color-coded and customized to fit your needs. For example, you might use red for urgent tasks or create labels like design or development to group tasks by category. You can also use the comments section on cards to provide updates, ask questions, or give feedback. This keeps communication centralized and ensures everyone is on the same page. To save time on repetitive tasks, enable Butler automation. This feature allows you to set up rules and actions that Trello will handle automatically. For instance, you can create a rule to archive cards as soon as they're moved to the completed list. It's an excellent way to reduce manual work and keep your board tidy. If you want to enhance your board with extra functionality, add power-ups. These are additional features like calendar view, time tracking, or Gantt charts. They provide new ways to plan and visualize your work. Speaking of views, you can switch between board, timeline, and calendar views to see your tasks from different perspectives. This flexibility makes it easy to plan ahead and manage your team's workload effectively. As work progresses, make sure to move cards through the lists. For example, when a task is started, move it from to do to in progress. Once it's completed, move it to the completed list. This movement keeps the board updated in real time and reflects the current status of each task. Finally, ensure that your team checks the board regularly. Trello is most effective when everyone stays engaged and up to date. By reviewing the board frequently, your team can stay aligned, avoid miscommunication, and keep the momentum going. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.